Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet a beautiful textured star stitch. Now this is a more traditional star stitch that has just worked a little bit differently to give it these little extra lines of texture running throughout. It's absolutely beautiful. This is your front side and then this is your back side, which looks slightly different than the front. So thank you so much for joining me. Today for the tutorial I'm going to be working with the Heatherly yarn by Knit Picks and We Crochet. I'll be working in this lighter green color. You'll also need a crochet hook. I'm going to be working with a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. Links to these items can be found in the description of this video down below. Also down there you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions which are on richtexturescrochet.com. You will also find a direct link to my latest book, Barn Quilt Blankets, which is a collection of 5 beautifully designed blankets with a geometric design, so that's down there in the description for you to check out as well. So once again, thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe. Take a look around. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. We're going to start by making a slip knot and then by working a foundation chain, and your foundation chain today will need to be a multiple of 2 stitches for your foundation chain. Today I'm going to go ahead and chain, let's do 24. There's 20 and 24. Once you have that foundation chain of an even number of stitches worked, you're going to begin row 1 by beginning with some star stitches. And we're going to work a beginning star stitch by inserting our hook into the second chain from our hook, yarn over and draw up a loop. Then you're going to repeat that over the next 4 stitches. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. You then have 4 loops on your hook. Keep going, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, and one more time, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. With 6 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and draw through all loops on your hook. We're then going to chain 1 and work another star stitch. This time for our star stitch, we're going to begin by inserting our hook into that chain 1. So just into the chain 1 at the top of the previous star stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, drop a loop. The next loop you're going to insert your hook into is under the final point of your previous star stitch. So that's the post. You're just inserting it under that loop, yarn over, draw up a loop. Next, you're going to insert your hook into the same stitch on the foundation chain of your previous star stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop, and then into the next, each of the next 2 chains. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, insert your hook into the next, yarn over, draw up a loop. Once again, you will have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 6 loops. You're then going to chain 1 to close off your star stitch. You're going to repeat those last steps all the way across. So work another star stitch, insert your hook into the chain 1, yarn over, draw up a loop, insert your hook under the last, I guess kind of spike or leg of your previous stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, insert your hook into the same stitch on the foundation chain of your last star stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, and then insert your hook into each of the next 2 stitches, yarn over and draw up a loop in each. Again, you have 6 loops, yarn over, draw through all 6, and chain 1. Repeat this process all the way across your foundation chain. Once you've come all the way across and worked the star stitches all the way across your foundation chain, you're going to finish off the final one by chaining 1 and then chain 1 more. Turn your work. Now for row 2, we're going to work a half double crochet into your first star stitch center. So just at the base of your turning chain, into that chain stitch, work 1 half double crochet. You're then going to skip over to the next chain stitch into the next center of your star and work 2 more half double crochet stitches, 1 and 2 into the same space. You're going to repeat that all the way across into the next chain stitch in the center of your next star, work 2 half double crochet stitches all the way across to your final star stitch. When you come all the way across at the end of your row 2, you've worked 2 half double crochets into the center of your final star stitch. You're then going to finish off the row simply by working a half double crochet into the top of your turning chain. You can then chain 3 and turn your work. We're now going to continue working star stitches, this time working in the back loops only. So starting with a beginning star stitch into your turning chain, into the second chain from your hook, back loop only, insert your hook, yarn over and draw up a loop. Insert your hook into the back loop only of the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Next, insert your hook into the next stitch on the row, back loop only, yarn over, draw up a loop. There's 4. Next stitch, back loop only, 5, and your next stitch, back loop only for 6. Once you have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 6 loops and chain 1. You're then going to repeat that all the way across, this time working into the center of your star stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. Under that last post, just as you did before, yarn over, draw up a loop. Into the same stitch on your previous row as the previous star stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, and then into the back loop only of each of the next 2 stitches. You'll have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 6 and chain 1. You're going to repeat this all the way across. So I'm almost all the way across, just working my final star stitch. At the end of this row, you're going to, just as you did before, chain 2 and turn your work. We're now going to repeat that row 2 for our row 4, half double crochet at the base of the first turning chain, and then work 2 half double crochet stitches into each chain stitch all the way across. You're going to finish off this row in the top of your turning chain. I'm just going to continue working all the way across. So once again, when you come across, just work a half double crochet into the final turning chain, chain 3, and turn your work. Now for the rest of the pattern, you're simply going to repeat those rows 3 and 4. So the row 3 beginning with the star stitch, the beginning star stitch, followed by star stitches all the way across, once again working in the back loop only to give you that ridge of texture. And then you're going to follow this row with your repeat of your row 4, which was your half double crochets in the chain stitches all the way across. And that's it. It's a 2-row repeat. That is how you work this beautiful textured star stitch. So once again, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, take a look around, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.